Hashan's dad here from OG Creations. It's another twisted ice-dyed sweater. This week, it's in purples. Before we get started, I humbly ask that if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and subscribe to my channel. Your help will be greatly appreciated. I'm starting with an ivory 100% cotton men's crew neck sweater purchased from Amazon. This has been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes. Using a spin-only cycle, it was spun until practically dry. I want to give this a base color, so here I'm using Peony. I squeeze out as much of the liquid that I can. I then lay it flat on my work surface. Starting at the shoulder seam, I begin to twist the fabric. I create a decline by lifting one side of my die rack. I lined the rack with foil to give a more smooth surface for all the runoff. I also create side barriers with foil to hold all the ice in place. I add a thick layer of ice on top of the twisted sweater. I apply my dry dye powders on top of the ice. I'm using Imperial purple and Plum. Since this is a sweater, I apply quite a bit of the dye powder to ensure the particles can make it through all of that material. A layer of soda ash is added. Once the ice is melted, it is set aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, it was added to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. Now this is one hell of a fun sweater. It is so eye-catching with those intense purples. I love it. See you next time.